how to make him addicted to you. Hey, what's up, subscribers? Welcome to Cyclogy. If you are not a subscriber, hit the subscribe button and become a subscriber. Today I'm gonna tell you the 5 things that you need to do to make him addicted to you. So watch this video till the end. All women want the man next to them to remain as enamored of them as the first day, which may be possible and is simpler than you think. They just have to blow up a little imagination. Going back to those stages of adolescence where fun was bread of every day. If you want your guy to become addicted to you and want you all the time, all you have to do is say goodbye. The number 1, say goodbye to the routine and let him teach you something new. You may think it's difficult since daily life demands many things. Children, work, family, occupations take away a lot of time. However, it's always important to make a small hole in the agenda to dedicate it to the man you love. Use at least 1 hour a day, 1 day a week, or the time that you are free to let him be your teacher in any of activities he masters. You can ask him to teach you to play football, to change the oil to the car, or to fish. In short, some activities that he enjoys. With this, you will develop a feeling of attachment and man falling in love, which will overcome all the emotions he had felt so far. Number 2, become his number 1 fan. It is common that at the beginning of the relationship, the woman is completely in love and does not stop to thank life. That starts the destiny of the man who life put on her way. However, with the passage of time, things begin to change, and they forget those things that made them fall in love. It's important that you remind them every day to your partner. Avoid becoming a fan of criticism. On the contrary, remember everything that attracts you to him and tell him. Fill with passion your relationship. Sex is an important part of a relationship, so do not hesitate to use sexuality, passion, and seductions at your disposal. Remember that you will also benefit. Do not hesitate to talk with your partner about your sexual fantasies, the things you like to do in bed, what you feel for each other, etc. Try places and new positions, oils, perfumes, lingerie. There are thousands of accessories that can help. Let the imagination run wild and make your intimacy a time to connect deeply. Number 4, seduce him with words. We all like to raise our ego or not. If you keep your man satisfied in his self-esteem, he will not want to part with you. Make him feel admired and loved using the magic words to your advantage. Admire those things that keep you in love with him. His intelligence, quickness of mind, physical appearance, his dedication and love he feels for you. This does not mean that all the time you will be mentioning his qualities. Remember that less is always more, but it's necessary that you do it when the occasion requires it. Sometimes a message, a short phone call, or a small note will make a difference, and they will serve you to gain more ground in his heart. Number 5, become a box of surprises. We all like the details, seeing new things. So it's a time to strengthen the bond that unites you to your partner by tasting new adventures. Live out the blue outside the city. In short, there is a world of activities that you can start doing. Remember, the secret for your partner to remain as in love as when started the relationship. It is the breaking the schemes and challenging the imagination of both. Please let us know your opinions in the comments section below. And if you like this video, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to become a Cyclogy subscriber.